So it's like an impromptu girls' night because I told Jackie I was in her hood and she came down, and then Sylvia called my girl Nikita, and now she's here with her other friends. So
she is a rowdy thing.
Sylvia is Sylvia. You ain't seen Sylvia in her real farm. Yes, she's awesome. She is very awesome. So let me she over there talking. But you know what, people? This little spot over here too is really cute. The little San Pedro spot over here off of 8th and where are we at? 8th and Weymouth, I think it was. Weymouth or Weymouth. Yeah, I see your tail lights going. So I'm rambling because we thought the truck was coming and we got excited, but it ain't here yet. We're still waiting. Hey guys, so I'm out here with all those people back there. All those people over there.
She dragged me out.
I didn't drag you. She came out. But that spot over, that empty spot over there with the cones is where...
Tenemos hambre. La gente quiere comida. Queremos tripleta. Queremos arroz con gandules, mofongo. Man, hello. Yo traje apetito. Y gente.
Okay, if you know the interpretation for that, because I don't, then it must have been good because people around her was looking and laughing. But anyway, we came out here for some Puerto Rican food. The Puerto Rican food truck.
El pueblo tiene hambre.
What the hell are you saying? I don't know what you're saying.
The people are hungry.
Oh,
the people.
You understood Spanish.
To a point, I ain't fluent.
Yeah. See, just because you're Mexican doesn't mean you speak Spanish.
Yes, exactly. It's a lot of it. Hey, I'm Spanish by marriage, but my even Spanisher sister or Mexican sister don't even know Spanish.
Spanisher, wait, even Spanisher.
Exactly.
That's a new word.
Exactly. So I will tell you guys if it's delicious. They had a lot of great stuff on their Instagram. So
They were on Pero Like just last week.
Nikita right there. No, she found a spot.
She's funny.
Oh, you're so yeah, people. I'm all blurry. There we go. So we're here to try this food, even though I ate a bean and cheese burrito. So I guess I'm in a Latin phase right now. Bean and cheese burrito from Diana's, and now I'm over here in the triple truck. Oh shoot! Triple threat food truck, which is Puerto Rican food. So yum yum.
Look who's here.
My bestie, how you doing? We got everybody from the tribe.
Still hungry. Still hungry. This food better be good, or I'm gonna talk about y'all.
I hear you.
Yeah, this is the New Orleanian foodie, Miss Madam New Orleans. All right here. So she knows a thing or two about food.
Speaking my Spanish.
We got a Puerto Rican coming 40 minutes away trying to get some Puerto Rican food. So you know.
Rico. Hey. Is someone else coming?
Yeah, I just invited a Puerto Rican. He's like, I'm 40 minutes away. I was like, the truck's not here.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It's turning up, y'all. We turning up on San Pedro streets. San Pedro streets.
They got mofongo, they got...
Oh my gosh. Are they finally here? Finally freaking here. Like an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours late. But they're here. Yes! Woo! Get some mofongo on tonight. Oh my god, just like in Pero Like. We're excited! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Woo, look at this! Oh, what is an angry chicken on there too? Somebody was asking if it was an angry chicken. All right. Woo, we finally get to get some food. All right, the truck is finally freaking here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Bam. Sylvia, are you happy? Are you happy?
I don't know. When I get the food in my belly, I can tell you.
Dale, hola.
Dale que tú puedes, dale que tú puedes. Qué linda bandera, qué linda bandera. La bandera puertorriqueña.
Qué bonita, qué bonita.
Qué bonita. See, that's why I'm not Puerto Rican. That's why I'm not Puerto Rican to tell me. Qué bonita bandera, qué bonita bandera. See, people think, but I'm not. This is like, hey, that's what happened. See, now we know who the Puerto Ricans are. I'm by default. My daddy Puerto Rican.
Okay, I'm about to go fix it.
All right. Okay, there's a problem. They said cash only, so that's a problem for some people. I may have cash. I'm not sure. We may be out of luck. I can drive to the ATM real quick. This is crazy. I know it is. But don't say it on the live. Don't say it on the live.
10 o'clock at night? 10?
I don't know. They are.
I'm like, are we talking tigre? Like, what are we talking about?
No.
Skinny guy.
Look at that line.
Where am I? I'm in her. Man,
Yeah, we're all part of my couple family.
So this is the truck right here, the famous triple threat. And this is what they offer. Sorry, 1 second. There goes our dancing machines. Dancing machines.
You guys are online. I can't believe it.
Right. Wherever Sylvia is, she dances. Right.
No, are you in? Got 5 kids. I can't even look at my wife. You're talking to my wife like this. Baby, what?
We're still here. Oh, shit. I didn't know she was going to eat.
That sandwich is dripping with finesse.
Woo! Dripping with finesse.
Boy.
Wait a minute. Is that how you feel? Does that make you do that? What you get over there?
A ver, el boricua. ¿Qué dice el boricua?
What's that?
Te digo ahora. I smell the vinegar in this thing.
It smells good from here.
Bring the boricua seal of approval.
Oh, snap.
Is there a mouth though?
Yep.
Oh, good.
Oh, that's good when it's falling all out.
It's like a Puerto Rican po' boy.
Oh.
Oh, está bueno. Está bueno, ¿qué dice? Está bueno. El boricua ya.
Dang, licking it off the arm too?
No.
It smells so good, the garlic in there.
Yeah.
It's got the little potato fries in there. My doctor don't like this. My doctor.
Tripleta sauce is good.
We won't show the video.
My doctor.
Tripleta
sauce?
Oh, no, but you can have some. Can you have some sanitizer? Oh, yeah.
I need a damn napkin.
Oh, wait.
Look at all
Can I have
that
one?
juice. Look at it crazy. Oh, look at those plantains though, for real.
They're good too.
There's sanitizer here too.
Thank you, sweetie.
Napkins?
Can I get a view of your sandwich?
That's the. They just mixed it up in there, like they just carved it up.
Hold on. No, here.
That looks
Hold on. And then give me this.
looks delicious.
It looks.
Loaded tostadas.
Wait, I have.
Just mine, I can grab it.
Wait, Mom, hold on.
Well, back home. Today was a very long day. Pretty much been up since 4:30. 4:30? A little bit before 4:30. I got up before the alarm went off, so long day. Basically like an 8-hour day at the conference, and then came home and well, stopped to get something to eat, but then came home and went back out and had a little impromptu shenanigans with the girls at this food truck that was supposed to be there at 9. Actually, I think it was supposed to be there at 8 technically, but then they not tweeted but Instagram posted that they were going to be at 9:45, and they did not show up until like 10:30, I think. So definitely out a lot later than I thought it was going to be, and now it's already 1:01, which is close to about the time I had to wake up yesterday. So surprisingly, I'm not extremely tired. I think I dozed off in the conference, so I guess that helped. But my greedy butt, because I didn't know about going to the, I guess I am tired and I can't think. Since I wasn't aware that I was gonna go to the food truck, I bought some Diana's and 2 burritos because I knew I was gonna eat one and have one for the next day. But now I have extra food for tomorrow because I got to go order I can't even say it now. Baraka bowl. Anyway, it's a bowl with meat and rice and plantains in it. And then I come home and I swear to God, there's been something going on. Last week, or was it right before I left, there was my vase broken in the front. A couple weeks before that, I had my neighbor's dog peed in front of my door. Within that same week, I walk out and my candles are out of my drawers that I have, a little Chester drawer outside. And right now I come home and there's water, probably from neighbors above, or I don't know what it is. Not in front of my door, but close enough. And I don't know why it's like that. Yeah. My head has been itching, and I think it has to do with the salt water from when I was in Miami. And though I washed my hair, I don't think I washed it good enough. Because my scalp is, I am having to put a lot of oil in it, which soothes it, but then as it soaks in and, sorry, cleaning the thing, as it soaks in, man, it's, it's itchy. It is itchy. Well, they still look pretty good. Just frizzy from being in the water. But I'm gonna go because I'm rambling and it's freaking late. So I will talk to you guys later. I actually get to rest tomorrow, which is nice. Though I do have to meet someone up. What time did I say I was going to meet them? I have to check. Anyway, so if it's earlier, I know it's not before 11, so I'm good. But look at this. Feels so good, but at the same time, woof, makes me want to just take them out and just. My head, I'm gonna have to get my nails done over. They're already grown out. Just got them. When did I leave? Wednesday. So I got them done Monday or Tuesday. No, Monday. I got my nails done Monday of last week. And my nails are growing out already. The growth is real. Okay, you can see it right there too. The growth is real. That's fallen. One of those fell off. She said she has a 14-day, a 2-week policy. So I'm going to test it out tomorrow when I go up there and see if she going to charge me or what. And I'm going to just get a different color because this color doesn't stay on very well. Usually when I get a, what's it called? Gel nails, they stay on pretty long, 3 weeks almost, without even shipping or anything. But these are already pulling up, but I'm not usually in the water either though, so anyway, for real this time, for real this time, I'm about to go. Good night.
I knew that was illegal.
So, I didn't eat my food last night. So this is a recap. I had to warm it up, so I had to take it out that plastic. But this is my bowl. First time eating Puerto Rican food, so I'll let you know how I like it. Oh yeah, camera lenses on that side. So, plantains are good.
Can you do something like that? Oh man. Alright guys,
Rice.
the perfect game. Oh boys. Perfect. Oh girl.
It's good.
Are you girls ready?
They have,
Are you boys ready?
it sounds like rice and peas.
Oh! Bro, I'm so tired, man.
It's little peas. If I can get it.
I'm getting so tired because it's so funny that every kid here knows me. I mean, it was literally like a meeting. I took pictures, you know what it is like. It's not me.
Anyway,
It's lit, man. We're about to go.
these little
Who didn't
peas.
have fun? That's what I thought. Who had fun?
I put some of the sauce on it. The other thing that's different is the meat has green olives in it, which is definitely different for me. And I'm gonna act like I don't see it. Try to cut it in half because I'm not an olives person. But I have the camera not in focus, but you know how it is. A lot of times you can put stuff together. Hold on. Anyway, so plantains are good. Everything's pretty good, you know. I agree with my friends though. It's not worth standing in line for 3 hours. But it's good. And if they had a store or something like that, I would go back. I'll try something else though. Because I think because I haven't been eating beef, and a lot of meat, I've been eating more seafood. I think my body can feel the difference. Like I keep starting to hiccup every time I swallow. So either I'm not chewing my food up all the way, or my body's just trying to reject. People don't pick up on those little signs and symptoms that your body gives you, but they just, chalk it off. Anyway, guys, I'm about to go. I gotta eat so that I could, wait, it's supposed to be 12. Oh, no, I got till 1 o'clock. I'm good. Alright, I'm gonna edit other videos from Miami and last night and try to get those up, so look forward to those. Alright, look forward to my next adventure.
Dude, you put your tongue on it.